My name is Jenny Berkmeyer and I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the auction bot. So let's get going and run the server here. Once that gets going, we'll be able to run the client and we'll do 3 clients. And as they're connecting, we should see on the server on the left here, we should see them connect. So let's see. Okay, perfect. So we have our first client connected, our second client has connected, and our third client has connected. So let's go ahead and set names for all of these. 2, 3. Okay, great. So we see here that all 3 clients have registered. So let's go ahead and start the game. First, we'll just do a regular bid around 15. It looks like Alaric has 1 because Alaric bid 21. So I still have all my coins. Let's go ahead and do one that's below the reserve price at 5. And we'll see an error comes up. So the bid must be at the reserve price. Okay, let's do an upper boundary. So 160. Another error, we don't have enough gold to bid that much. So let's do a few actual, just normal bids here. 30, 20. I think I'd like to skip this one, so I'll do a -1 and we should see my coins stay the same. Okay, so that was the last bid, and then right here we can see the final score. So I have 100 remaining because I skipped that last one, and these are the items I've won. And then you can see the same information for the other 3 bots, and it'll show who won. So it says I won here because I have that total of 177. So let's see if we can do a couple more here. I'll just do that, and I will do this one so they're kind of running at the same time. 25, let's see, 30. Okay, great. That one finished up, and let me just okay, so they both finished up there. And that just shows the total scores. On the server side, we can see when each client put in a bid or when they joined games here. So let's do a quick run through of some of the code. Oh, sorry about that. We're going to take a look at handle bid. So here is where I think the bulk of the game is handled, is with the bid. This is where we're assigning the bids to the player, and then this is how we're just finding the winner, is through this logic here. Here is where we're actually assigning everything to the response here, and that's going to line up with the protocol. And same with game over. A lot of this is kind of repetitive. I don't think there was a way to make it not repetitive though, even though that is something that challenged me throughout this project. And that is it. Thank you.